So let's get into it. What does healthy weight loss look like? Well, number one, we talked about diet culture and how they have a big push to you. Day one, they're pushing you to lose weight, and usually through deprivation. Well, that's the exact opposite of what should happen. You should not put pressure on yourself to lose weight right away when you embark on a weight loss journey. I know it's pretty crazy, but there's a bunch of things that need to happen. And one of them is that you need to calm down. You need to learn a little bit about nutrition, mostly in the form of food processing and added sugars. Those are two really big subjects. So there's a process of calming down and learning. There's a process of evaluating your life. There's a process of bringing the practices into your life that are going to create sustainable weight loss. And I don't want you running 5 miles on day one because your life isn't set up for that. You aren't set up for that. That's a crazy thing to do to yourself. We really have been living out the ideas of the Biggest Loser style weight loss, which is this, like, I'm going to do it all day one. Oh my God, that sounds like hell. And I don't think anything that you're going to keep up for the long term is rooted in pain. That there's just that. The other thing is that we see when you don't focus on, we think of weight loss, both in my program and for myself, weight loss is a byproduct. It's actually an outcome of your practices. And those take time to develop. It takes time to understand who you are and how you want to live out those practices. And the last one is that we embrace plateaus. You are not supposed to I think of this as abuse, is to put your body through a process where it's just forced to lose weight over a long period of time. Like, lose weight. If you get on the scale and it didn't happen, oh, it's a tragedy. Long-term sustainable weight loss has a lot of plateaus in it, and your weight can go up and down. I'm making a little seesaw motion for those who can't see me. It'll go up, it'll go down, and then it sort of floats down as your practices get more solidified. And that is a byproduct. That is an outcome, and it's a gentle outcome. And we like slow weight loss. There is reams of evidence to show, and I know the weight loss drugs are now pushing people to lose weight quickly, and I'm going to do a whole episode on why I think these things are actually a diet. But in general, the faster the weight loss, the more unsustainable it is. The slower it is, your body adjusts, your practices adjust, your mindset adjusts, is a very good thing. So I don't care, even for people who go into my program, I don't care if you lose weight right away. What I want you to do is learn. That's the important thing. Learn and do things differently and come back and tell us about how that went and get coaching and all of the other stuff. But the process that long-term weight loss starts with learning.